What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this under sink kitchen organizer. It's just in a box right now, but we're going to be unboxing it, putting it together, installing it to clean up all this random stuff here and see if we can get this all organized. So without further ado, let's get this all put together. All right, I was actually expecting that to be a bit harder and take longer, but it wasn't. All you do is install these 4 rods in the 4 corners of the bottom one, align the top one, and just press them essentially together to make it stable. And that's it. And then make sure you slide them the right way so they both open the same way. And they do come fully out. And I like that it actually stops at the end here, so it won't just keep sliding either way. It does only go one direction. And here's what it looks like on the bottom. It's essentially this track is catching this little lip right here. And it also comes with these 4 clip-on hooks. Thought this was going to be part of the installation process, but turns out you just clip them on here if you want to hang a towel or anything that can easily just be kind of hooked on like that. So I'm going to put these on the side here, probably keep them towards the front so they're a little more accessible, and as well on this side. And I also want to express that this is a 2-pack, and this is the white version. So I'm not using this one right now. I want to use this under a different sink, but I think this is great under a kitchen sink. Don't mind the remodel. We're painting the doors right now, but this could be great under a bathroom sink. Let's take this stuff out and get it organized, show you kind of the before after effect. All right, here's what we have here. I've got the taller, bigger stuff on the left, and this can simply slide out. We've got dishwasher pods, and we've got our soaps and essential oil infused cleaners, as well as a hand soap clipped on the side with one of the clip-on hooks. So it's under 9 inches wide, just under 16 inches long, and then the whole thing is under 14 inches tall. So hopefully this shows you exactly what to expect with this under sink organizer. It's been really useful for me already.